Coming up next is Buck out of run 28. Hi, Buck. Say hi to Tom. I love this dog. You need to get neutered, honey. What's up with that? Or did you get neutered? It's just swollen. What do you think of Tom? Hi, Buck. Buck, come here. Hey, say hi. Hi, sweetheart. Oh, you smell my cookies? You're a cookie monster? Say hi to the kitty. Hi, what do you think, Tom? Isn't he pretty? Isn't he a pretty boy? Okay, he's very calm, so. But hold him short. Yes, thank you. Tom, what do you want? You want to say hi to this one? Tom is like, he looks very, like, okay. Good boy. Good boy. He's not really sure what this is. Tom is purring. Tom is purring. Come here, Tom. Come here, Tommy. Come here, see mommy. Come on. Tom. Come here, baby. Good boy. Let him sniff Tom on the rear end.
Look, mommy, look. Look.
He's very people friendly.
Look.
And say hi to the kitty.
Not me. Look.
He's like, he's a little hesitant. Yeah, there you go. Tom just like, dude, let me go. He's purring up a storm. Tom, here you go, maybe. You can't just go wander off like that. Come on. Buck. He's shy. He's shy. Look at him. He's shying away like, oh, what's that purr? What's that growling sound? Tom, he purrs very loud. I would say he's good. He's hesitant, so that's perfect.
That other one was so